Well, I get asked all the time, can you shoot videos outside without lights? Well, the answer is really no. Right up here, there's a street light. So I'm right under it. So if I look up, you can see my face and of course the top of my head. Now if I go a little bit further from the light, now I'm getting a little bit more side light right here, right? And also on the side here, you can see that. So it is possible, if you understand how lights work, to be able to come out here and not use any lights or bring any lights and be able to make a film. I'm just using my phone right now to have this footage go on. It's not great, it's not ideal. However, it definitely does look realistic. And basically, you just kind of measure yourself where you want to be at. The further I get away from that light, obviously, the less light I'm going to have on myself. But the one thing cool about shooting at night, you get all this atmosphere, get all what I call free art direction, basically. And also, if you don't have a lot of money for locations, you can hide stuff in shadows. So as always, rock and roll, of course, it does compute. If you like this type of amazing content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that will totally compute. Yeah, computed. So you just do it. It's like that.